Hello everyone, myself Apratim. If you want to invest your time, money and knowledge in networking field, then eVision is the best place for you, which can help to achieve your goal in IT infrastructure. In eVision, trainers are supported and motivated me to grab this opportunity as I got selected in GRM group in Delhi location of 3.2 lakh per annum. A special thanks to the trainers, staffs, faculty members and Ganesh sir and their placement team also. If you are seeking to grow their career and achieve the highest position in IT field, then you must join the eVision, and definitely eVision will grow your career and train you the best thing to seek the highest position. A special thanks to all of the team of eVision. Thank you.